Hey, I'm Sarah, and I just bought myself a new set of pans. This one is going to be fantastic. This is the KitchenAid pan, and it has this nice clear lid with a big handle on it, so you don't have to worry about it being too close as far as lifting it off. You also have room if you did want to grab it with a little towel or something, you can easily have enough room there. Nice long handle that does have a little hole in it, so if you wanted to hang those up, that is available as well. Now this one is nice and riveted on the bottom, so you can cook it on any sort of surface. So we actually just got an induction stovetop, so it will heat up nice and even. And as you can actually see, that water, the way that that beads up, that is super non-stick. So this makes it really nice that you can use this on any sort of surface. So just to show you that this does work with an induction top, you can stick it on here and it gets right to work. I mean, it'll start boiling within seconds with that little amount of water. But this is a great non-stick pan that you can use for sauteing, cooking any sort of soups or anything like that because of its non-slip surface. And you can even put it in the oven, dishwasher. This thing will be great for many, many years to come.